Oh, hey guys. Ha! Hello. Welcome into my vlog, number 21. So I haven't done a vlog in, well, ages, because I've been doing quite a lot of stuff. Since I've been gone from the vlogosphere, I've been trying to buy a new mic, and I've been doing other stuff. And also, the reason I'm buying a new mic is because I can't do my videos very easily, because, as I said in the video ages ago about Audacity, I tried Audacity, like everyone said I should, and it keeps crashing and dying, and it lost the whole recording I had for a video a couple of days ago, so that didn't really go very well, which isn't good. So I'm buying a new mic. I'm kind of between the Blue Yeti and the Blue Snowball thingy. So write down in the comments which one I should get, because I like the Blue Snowball. It looks really cool and it's really retro, but I like the Blue Yeti because of the audio quality. Sounds amazing. So I should be sounding better on my videos soon. So yeah, I was going to upload a video on live. Don't know if you tried that, but I couldn't because I did the audio, I did the commentary and everything. I pressed stop on Audacity and it crashed, lost everything, which wasn't good. So yeah, what else have I been doing? Not YouTube related. I got my Star Trek book. Yes, I got it. I took a photo, and if you notice in the photo I have a big beard, but I don't anymore, I shaved. Got a bit of stubble now, but I can get rid of that quite easily. Yeah, so I got my radio show coming up tomorrow, and well, by next week I'll be at my nan's, so it's going to be a completely different place. You're not going to see all this, which by the way is my house. So you're not going to see that thing, hang on, that thing up there, because I always walk under that in my vlogs. Look, here we go. Yeah, seeing the light dims. But I'm not going to be here, I'm going to be at my nan's, and that's up in Bath. Don't know if you know it, it's in England, I can't say it properly. Place called Somerset, that's a county, and it's called Bath, so B-A-T-H. So yeah, it's a really nice area up there. I want to kind of show you a view over the whole of Bath because it looks amazing. Really cool. And yeah, so what have you been guys doing? I cannot talk, I don't know what it is. I'm not used to doing a vlog. Write down in the comments below hang on, I'm in shot there, good. Go right in the comments below what you've been doing. So yeah, Monday, is it Monday today? No, it's Wednesday. Wow, the weeks do go quite quickly now. So yeah. Whew. Is there really anything else I should say? I haven't been on YouTube, as I just said, for ages. I'm sorry about that. I really want to get back into vlogging. As I said on one of my other videos though, you kind of vlog and then you kind of don't, and then you stop for ages, which isn't good. Someone's upstairs in the bathroom making funny noises. I hope you can see that. There. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna leave before I fall into hysterics. It's not gonna look very good on YouTube. So yeah, Merry Christmas to everyone. I should have a video up. I should have loads of video up before Christmas, but if I don't, which is very unlikely, but if I don't, then Merry Christmas to everyone on my YouTube, everyone who subscribes to me. I've got 26 subscribers now. I need more. Come on, guys, give me more. Really cool to get the word out there that I'm doing vlogs and stuff. I enjoy doing them. But as I said, I kind of stopped, and as soon as you stop, that's not a good thing, and then you just keep stopping, you just don't do them ever again, which I know some people have. So you just got to keep pushing on. I think they should say. I'm also thinking of buying Super Mario Bros. All Stars on Wii. Any ideas on that? Should I not? Write down in the comments below. So yeah, that's me. Thank you for watching my vlog. I know it's kind of a cruddy one. I didn't really plan this one at all, as you can probably tell. Thing is, my vlogs, I don't do the whole editing and then kind of edit parts out and stuff. Well, I know quite a few people doing their vlogs, but I don't do that. Mine is just get in there and just do it. Sounds so wrong. So yeah, okay, well thank you for watching my vlog. Please comment, rate and subscribe. Tell me what you've been doing. Tell me what you think about the mics and everything. Remember, it's Blue Yeti and Blue Snowball. I want to hear your opinions and everything else down below. Thank you guys for watching, and that's me out.